Hey guys, so in the last few videos I showed you how to create a homework, how to assign a homework, and also how to create a classroom. Now I'm going to show you what you get out of doing all of that. So we're going to go ahead and go to My Classrooms, click the classroom you want to go to Assigned Homework, we're going to go to Elizabeth, and then we're going to click Assignment 2, that's one of the homeworks that's already been completed, then go to Analytics. This is a hugely important part of the homework feature. This allows you to track your students' progress and to see all the weak areas that they might have. So this is sort of what it looks like. It's like a really simple spreadsheet. So here we see by topic how the students fared in this homework. So if we just expand this, you'll see a little bit more into how this works. So here the question, who is Elizabeth? We see 2 students selected this answer, 1 student selected this, and this is the correct answer. This sort of tells us that, maybe we need to work on this question. Also here in the students button, you can see which students answered which answer essentially. So 2 students answered A, this student answered B, and no one answered C. That's a really simple way of seeing it, and this is by topic. So for every question you'll have the answers that the students have answered. Or you can do it by student, and it'll show you everything that the student answered like this. So here we can see this student, we can see his answers which were wrong and which were right, and we can see how many times it took him to answer this question and how long it took him to answer each question. We can also hide any of the correct ones, so you can see which ones they're maybe not so good at, and that's to focus on weak areas. Hide the questions that they haven't done, or you can change from percentage to fractions if that's what you prefer. A really, really important thing about this is that you can also transfer this into a actual spreadsheet. So what you would do is you would click download. I'm going to show you one of the actual spreadsheets that we have from an actual case study that we conducted. So these are real students' results, and this is what it would look like. So it's fairly similar to the other thing I showed you on the website, except maybe a little bit easier to track each student's progress in each of the weak areas that they might all have. So here we have by topic, so these are all the questions. We can see how much of it was completed by students and who got it correct and who got it wrong. So here we can see that here, this question, only 13% of students got it right, and that tells us that that's a weak area and that's something we need to focus on. We can also see here which students got it correct and which ones got it wrong. So very simple, it says correct, incorrect, and you can see which questions those are for. Or you can also look at it by student like this. So obviously the names look a bit funny, but we didn't want to give away the students' actual names just for safety. So these are actual results and these are actual students' answers. So we can see again, this is how many of the students' answers they got right and which ones they got wrong, how much time they spent on all these questions, and this tells us by question which ones they got right and which ones they got wrong. This is going to be super important when you're having to track your students' progress, and the spreadsheet is a very important way of doing that. So I've covered a lot there, but hopefully that'll be really useful for you guys when you're getting all your homework back from your students. So thanks for watching and hope that helped.